In this video, we are going to look at how to change the partner of your Exness account. You likely already have an account linked to a specific partner. If you want to join through a new partner's link, you can easily do so using this method. You do not need to create a new account or submit your KYC documents again. You can do this while keeping your existing profile. Let's see how it is done. Currently, I am on the desktop web terminal. Click on this icon here. Navigate to the Personal area. A new window will appear. In the bottom right corner, you will see a chat section. Click on it. Type Partner Change and press Enter. It will autocorrect any spelling mistakes. You will receive a link in the chat. Click on that link. A form window will open. You need to fill out this form. Select Other as the reason for the partner change. In the field for New Partner Link, you need to enter Our Partner Link. You can find this link in the video description. Copy it and paste it into this box. This is the partner link. Afterward, click Submit. You may be asked for verification to confirm you are not a robot. Once verified, the change will be processed within 3 to 7 days. Now let's see how to do this process on a mobile phone. First, open the Exness app. Go to the Profile section and scroll down. You will see the Live Chat option. Click on it. Just like before, type Partner Change and press Enter. Click on the link provided and follow the same steps. Select Other as the reason. Paste the referral link found in the description and then click Submit. Once the process is complete, you will receive an email confirming the partner change. After receiving the email, go back to your personal area. You now need to create a new live account separate from your current one. Click Open New Account. Select your account type, for example, Standard. Proceed to create a real account. After creating it, you will need to transfer your existing funds to this new account. Go to your Funds area, click the 3 dots and select Transfer Funds. Select Between Your Accounts to move the money to the new account. Transfer the funds from your old account to the newly created one. This new account will be directly under Our Partnership. This means you can now access all our benefits. The old account remains with the old partner. To get our benefits, ensure you trade using this new account. That is the complete process. You can now easily use our